Are you someone who has lots of dreams but really wants to control them on purpose? No worries. We have a guide to help beginners have their first lucid dream and dream about what they want. So, let's start right away. And welcome to Lucid Dream Genius. Let's start by understanding what a lucid dream is. Defining lucid dreaming isn't easy, mainly because there have been debates about the nature of consciousness for centuries. However, many researchers generally agree that lucid dreaming happens when a person is aware and in control of their dreams while in the REM sleep phase. In simpler terms, during a lucid dream, the dreamer actively participates in the dream rather than just passively watching it like a movie. Psychoanalyst and dream language specialist Tristan Moyer defines lucid dreaming as follows, quotes, "It's when you become aware of your dream. The dreamer steps into the dream and maintains a critical awareness." End quotes. Lucid dreaming, which is more than just a typical dream, offers several advantages. It allows you to have a conversation with your inner thoughts, which can be fascinating from a psychological perspective. Encountering your own subconscious doesn't happen every day. Gaining control of your dreams can bring several benefits, including 1. Boosting emotional control, especially for those lacking self-confidence. 2. Facing and dealing with nightmares with full awareness, knowing they pose no real threat. 3. Providing a unique creative platform where you can not only control your dream but also create everything in it. 4. Discovering or rediscovering your inner strengths to better cope with life's challenges. People with anxiety or social difficulties may find lucid dreaming beneficial. 5. Practicing different scenarios, as lucid dreaming offers a safe environment to experiment with various life situations and their potential outcomes. For example, you can express your thoughts to your boss and envision their response. 6. Enhancing physical performance through techniques similar to the visualization method used by elite athletes. By rehearsing movements in a dream, you can improve your real-life skills. 7. Supporting the treatment of certain psychological issues, such as anxiety, post-traumatic stress, specific phobias, and depression. Before going to bed. 1. Turn off all your electronic devices at least 1 hour before bedtime because the blue light can disturb your sleep and reduce your chances of having a lucid dream. 2. Have a small notebook and a pen ready on your bedside table. This will be your dream journal, so pick a blank notebook just for your lucid dreaming attempts. 3. Set an alarm to wake you up during the night. Try to sleep early, preferably before 10 p.m., and set your alarm to go off 4 to 6 hours later, such as around 4 a.m. While preparing for bed. 1. Make sure to relax as much as you can once you're in bed. Try a short meditation or some yoga nidra poses. 2. Take a few deep breaths to relax further. If needed, use the conscious breathing technique to help you. 3. Close your eyes and think about a recent dream. Imagine yourself back in that dream, recalling the surroundings, people, and emotions. 4. Once you're immersed in this memory, pay attention to any signs that indicate it's a dream, not reality. 5. As you fall asleep, convince yourself that you're dreaming, not in the real world. If necessary, say it aloud. Next time I dream, I'll remember it's a dream. This is called mnemonic induction. During the night. 1. Let your subconscious mind do the dreaming. 2. While dreaming, try to step back and observe your dream surroundings. If you can detach from the dream scenario and become fully aware, you're experiencing a lucid dream. Ask yourself, am I dreaming? To confirm. 3. When your alarm goes off, take a moment to recall as many dream details as possible. 4. Grab your notebook and write down all those details. 5. Get up for 30 to 45 minutes to activate your rational, logical brain. Turn on the lights, splash some cold water on your face, have a drink, or read a bit. 6. Then, go back to sleep and remind yourself not to forget to become aware when you dream again. Upon awakening. 1. Try to remember your dreams, focusing on the last one. 2. Review the notes in your dream journal. 3. Spend a minute using autosuggestion, telling your subconscious that you'll dream consciously the next night. Lucid dreaming doesn't typically happen right away. It requires practice, and you need to teach your mind. So, make sure to do this exercise multiple times a week. With practice, you'll be able to do it again and again. At first, don't expect to have lucid dreams every night. but as you keep practicing, the chances of having them will go up. In conclusion, we've explained what lucid dreaming is and why it can be an exciting and valuable experience. Lucid dreaming provides you with a unique opportunity to interact with your inner thoughts, offering psychological insights and various practical benefits, including emotional control, addressing nightmares, enhancing creativity, exploring your strengths, practicing real-life scenarios, improving physical skills, and even supporting treatment for psychological issues. We've also provided a technique to help you get started on your lucid dreaming journey by adopting specific practices before bedtime, during the night, and upon awakening. You can increase your chances of having lucid dreams. Remember that patience and practice are key to unlocking the world of lucid dreaming, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. Happy dreaming! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts. Have a good sleep and see you in the next video.